Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Wondering how well it washes and dries all in one? Let me show you. What I love about an AI laundry combo? Washing heavy bedding is so much easier. Washing thick, heavy blankets? Now it's effortless. When it senses bedding, it deep cleans while adjusting to the fabric type. A high-capacity heat pump ensures powerful airflow for fast drying. And by continuously sensing humidity, it thoroughly dries every corner. So fluffy, right?
Perfect, honey. Shall we start organizing our clothes? With the Super Speed Cycle, your daily clothes get washed quickly and efficiently. From wash to dry. Done in just 98 minutes. That's amazing. Feels so warm and fresh.
Save time, save energy, all in one combo.